Find vertical asymptotes of f of x. The only term that can blow up is the rational part. A vertical asymptote occurs where the denominator is 0 and the fraction does not simplify away.
Use the quadratic formula.
The numerator of the fraction is the constant one, which never becomes 0. Hence, no factor cancels with the denominator.
At each of these x values, this term diverges, while the linear term remains finite, giving vertical asymptotes at x equals 1/2 and x equals -3.